Alright guys, so what I've done, I've changed the beaker, so I need something bigger. There's a lot of things going in. I put slightly 2 drops of, 1 drop of blue and 1 drop of green kind of thing. So I just needed some kind of aqua, because this is making a new kind of perfume. It is very inspired, very much inspired, you can say, from Baccarat 540, and in many ways hopefully it will smell exactly like that, but I would say not exactly, because I will make in a different way. So this one is our bigger beaker. It's for 1000 ml. So what I need to do is to achieve the 400 ml up to 600 ml max. That goes for our DPG. So the first thing, we need to increase the DPG to 600, because this is the thing I'm using, not heady on. So I'm just using double quantity of DPG, and within DPG I will throw a lot of things in it. There's a lot of powder goes in there, for example ethyl vanillin, ethyl maltol, and coumarin. So they all will come in, and they will enrich the DPG. Within DPG I will use the Egyptian jasmine, which is very expensive, and it's very high concentrate. I mean, it's the purest you can get, but it's very safe to use by ITTAR. So let's begin.